So the Barndo Co process is a trusted, tried and true process. We kind of designed it from scratch, but here's what it looks like. So you have a conversation, you reach out, you connect with us. Someone on our team is going to take your information, put it into our system, and they're going to run it down, and it's going to end up with a phone call or some type of in-person meeting between you and one of our sales staff. Our sales staff is going to sit down and talk with you about different options and different possibilities. They're going to look at some of the things you bring to us for inspiration. We're going to show you our entire design catalog. And then we're going to give you the option to onboard. So what is onboarding? So onboarding is a way for you as a homeowner to take a small baby step, and so that you can get a little bit more information and feel super confident before you're ever obligated, under contract, or asked to sign to build anything. Because what we feel is, we know we have a great product. We know it would be great for you and your family, but we need you to have that same level of confidence. So the way we do that is by onboarding. You pay your onboarding fee, you're directly connected to us, you get access to our plans, you get to select a plan. If you decide that you want to modify that plan, you have the ability to work with our in-house architects and engineers to make those modifications. If you elect to go completely custom, you can. Sometimes that runs at a higher cost. Sometimes it's the same cost. It just always takes a lot longer. So you get to work with our team, and we can help navigate and guide you down whichever one of those paths you decide to go. Then once we have a final set of plans, we will coordinate with you a time to get together. Maybe you come to one of our OBX events where we sit down and we go over everything in a group setting. We charter buses in, we take you around the build sites, we give you cool Barndo swag. It's a cool experience. Maybe your schedule isn't a lot for that and you end up in a one-on-one environment. That's okay too. We're gonna sit down with you, we're gonna go over everything from the windows to the floors to the doors and more. And we're going to allow you to select all those things through our showroom, through our catalog, and our entire design and specification process. Once all those selections have been made, we're going to give you some preliminary numbers, and then we're going to schedule a time to go out to your site and take a look at your land. So we can do a couple things. We can figure out what your utilities are looking like. We can figure out what the lay of the land is, so we can calculate some grading costs. Maybe you need your land cleared. We can calculate the land clearing costs. Maybe you have a driveway that's already there, or maybe you need one cut in. We can calculate the cost of what that's going to be, because we have to provide a construction entrance. And then we can talk about all the various final driveway types that we have. But what we're saying is, in the onboarding process, we're going to go over every detail, everything that you desire, your wants, your wishes, and then your needs. And we're going to blend that together and create something that fits inside of your budget, inside of your time frame, and then we're going to deliver it to you in the form of a proposal. And then, and only then, when you have all the information, you have everything in front of you, you can make a selection and determine, is this the best move for you and your family? And at that time, sign. And only at that time, sign.